In Raleigh County this week, communities across the state have been rattled by developments in the 23-year-old case of Alex and Susan Carter's disappearance. On Monday, the lead suspect in this case, 82-year-old Larry Webb, died at Montgomery General Hospital. We learned soon after that he confessed to killing 10-year-old Alex Carter and her mother Susan Carter in August of 2000. Webb detailed how he buried the mother and daughter in a shallow grave at his property on Kyle Lane in Beckley. 6 hours after his death, the remains of Alex and Susan were located. Many agencies played a role in closing this decades-old cold case, one of which was the Raleigh County Prosecuting Attorney's office. Raleigh County Prosecuting Attorney Ben Hatfield tells us Monday's events were both heartbreaking and freeing for the family. And while the public is shocked following these recent developments, Hatfield tells us he hopes that this case can give them peace as well.
I hope, lets the public know that we don't give up on people. If we have viable leads, at least in this county, we will follow you to the ends of the earth in order to be able to solve your case.
Hatfield tells us that Alex and Susan's remains are currently with the state's chief medical examiner, and while it is just a formality at this point, those remains will be scientifically proven to be Alex and Susan Carter's as well. Now,